die. Another soldier in the casket. Can't eat, can't sleep till I bury the bastard. His family is falling into pieces. His mama don't understand the madness. I can't explain the drama, and it hurts the most when it's someone close. I smoke weed cause I'm losing hope, and any dope can see the ghetto's full of drug dealers, and ain't nobody born a killer, but it hurts the most.
Grams for the times that I spent in the cell, the second grams for the